Uday and Vishal were talking to each other. Direction test is our topic. One morning, Uday and Vishal were talking to each other face to face at a crossing. Okay, at a junction somewhere, they are talking to each other face to face. If Vishal's shadow was exactly to the left of Uday, which direction was Uday facing? Okay, so we know that India map, this is east, this is west, this is north, and this is south in India map. Okay, and the sun rises from the east and sunset in the west. Okay, now they are facing each other. They are facing each other, and the two people are Uday and Vishal. Let us take. Let us take. Uday is standing here. Vishal is standing here. They are facing, okay, each other. This is trial one. Just I am doing with trial one. They are facing each other. Okay. This is the east and this is the west. And it is mentioned one morning. One morning means sunrises. Okay. One morning means sunrises. So whenever they are asking about Vishal's shadow, they are asking about Vishal's shadow. Okay. Vishal's shadow, sun rises from the east. So Vishal's shadow is somewhere here, somewhere on the backward of Vishal. Okay. If you take Vishal here and Uday here, okay, Uday facing east, Uday is facing east, Vishal is facing west. In that case also, Vishal's shadow is in between them. Vishal's shadow is in between them. But what we want, Vishal's shadow should be left of Uday. Vishal's shadow should be left of Uday. So in both of these cases, okay, we are not getting Vishal's shadow to the left of Uday. Now I will go with another trial. I will go with another trial. I will take them north and south. Okay, I will take them north and south. They are facing each other. And Vishal is facing southward. Vishal is facing south. Okay. And Uday is facing north. Uday is facing north. And they are talking to each other. In this case, sun rises from the east. Sun rises from the east. Now Vishal's shadow will be on his right side. Vishal's shadow will be on his right side because sun rises in the east. They are standing in this fashion. Okay. The sun which falls on Vishal, shadow will be created on right of Vishal, which is nothing but left of Uday. Which is nothing but left of Uday. Okay. So the shadow is to the left of Uday. Now, which direction Uday is facing? The question is, which direction Uday is facing? And you can see Uday is facing north. Okay, which direction Uday is facing? Uday is facing north. Okay, option C is the correct answer. I'm going to next problem. I'm going to next problem. Y is the east of X. Y is present. Okay, Y is present east of X. East of X, which is in the north. Which is in the north of Z. Y is in the east of X and X is present in the north of Z. Okay, which is means X is already present in the north of Z and Y is present on its east. We have to read the sentence 2-3 times only, then we will come up with the sentence clearly without altering the sentence. Okay, if we alter the sentence, the analysis will go wrong, answer will go wrong. So we have to read it 2-3 times and then we have to draw the diagram correctly. Only then answer will come correct. Next, if P is in the south of Z, still P is there. Okay, P is in the south of Z. Then in which direction Y is to P? Okay, in which direction Y is to P? Now we have to find which direction Y is there with respect to P. Okay, then in which direction of Y? In which direction of y is p? I should not write all this. Already given sentence is in which direction of y is p. Okay, of y. We have to find this one. If I write 2, direction is opposite, so I erase that 2. I should not create new sentences. What is asked? In which direction of y? I am sitting at y. Okay, I am sitting at y. In which direction? In which direction of, with respect to y, p is present? That is the question. Okay, you can see here southwest is the answer. You can see here southwest is the answer. We already know this is east, west, north and south. This is called southwest, and this is called southeast, this is called northeast, and this is called northwest. Okay, now I am going to the left from the origin, where y is present. I am going in this direction, so it is southwest. Okay, in this direction it is southwest. So the answer is not available. None of this is the answer. Okay, none of this is the answer. Just I will make it with another color so that you will understand better. Okay, this is our analysis. Now I'm going to the next problem. If southeast becomes north, okay, what I will do, we already know the directions. Okay, so east, west, north, south, it is very clear. Southeast, northeast, northwest, southwest, everything is clear. Now southeast means this one. Southeast means this one. This is called north. Okay, southeast becomes north means that is called north. Northeast becomes west. This is called west. Okay, and so on. We are changing the original and modified. We are changing from original to modified. Okay, and so on. What will be west become? What will west become? Okay, we know that exact opposite of west will be east. Exact opposite of west will be east. Exact opposite of north will be south. So this is called new thing. Okay, this position is called south. This position is called north. This position is called west. This is called east. This is our modified thing. Okay, now the question is, what will west become? Original west is this point. Original west is this point. Okay, now what is the name for that? It is between south and east. Okay, so now this west is called southeast. This west is called southeast. Okay, southeast is the answer. And last question, I think, last question, we will close with this. A man walks 5 kilometers towards south. Okay, a man is present. He is walking 5 kilometers towards south. Okay, he is initially present here, 5 kilometers south. And then turns to his right. You see, his right is like this. When he is walking, his right side is like this. Okay, turns to the right. After walking 3 kilometers, he turns to the left. His left is like this now. Okay, he turns to the left and walks 5 kilometers. Now he is presently here. Okay, man is presently here. Now, slowly we have to read once or twice, and slowly only we can operate. Okay, otherwise it will go wrong at any instant of time. If we are not doing consciously, if we are doing fast, everything may lead to a wrong thing. Okay, wrong answer. Now, finally, I have completed the diagram. Last part of the sentence. Now, in which direction is he from the starting place? This is his starting place. This is his starting place. He is presently here now. He is presently here. Which direction? What is this direction? Okay, you see the arrow mark. What is this direction? Which direction? He is from the starting point. We already know this is east, west, north, south, and we are facing, this is west, east, west, north, south. We are taking arrow in this direction, which is called southwest. Okay, from the starting point, this is the starting point, and this is the ending point. Okay, it is called southwest. So this is the starting point and this is the ending point. It is called southwest. Option D is the correct answer. Option D is the correct answer. Okay, this is about direction test. And with this, the topic is complete.